guys, welcome back to the channel, and now I'm going to be showing you how to export from Sketchup to 3ds Max. And it is important that you have to know about the scale. 3ds Max, make sure you clean and everything. If you haven't watched already on how to clean and groups and models in Sketchup, I will leave a playlist in my channel so you can have a look at it, how I did it. Now it is very important that you know how to scale, how to measure, how to group, how to clean your Sketchup models before you do exporting to the Max to prevent any errors in your workflow and in your productivity. So without further ado, let's go. Guys, welcome to my Sketchup tutorial again. So obviously you may have seen this model in previous videos. So I want you to have a look at how to clean your model, how to export, not export, we are going to export, how to clean your model, how to group components in your model before you export it. And I'm going to be showing you why. So you've got this one, obviously you've got the ceiling, wall, you've got the doors, windows, and the floor. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to check the measurement, this side to this side. So that's going to be 14.1 meter. Okay, on this side here, 14.1 meter. Okay, now I'm going to do, I'm going to file, export, 3D model. Okay, I'm going to delete this to make sure it's authentic. Option, leave everything as it is. Okay, then YouTube tutorial, I'm going to do YouTube tutorial. Make sure that it is FBX file. The reason why you want to do FBX file because this is the most realistic, the most high quality file that you can export to 3D Max. Because this is what I've experienced as well. Stay away from OBG. OBG, OBJ, stay away from that because this is not going to give you the highest quality model. I tried it, so please don't do that. You can export as DWG DXS file, but the problem is that it's not as accurate as FBX. So make sure you select FBX. Then export. That's fine. Okay. Then I'm going to go to 3ds Max. So this is the home page or whatever. It's empty. I'm going to go to File, Import, Import. Now I'm going to find my file. Obviously, I saved it, but make sure it's FBX file. There's the FBX file. Okay. Open. Okay. Now you've got the model that looks like this in 3ds Max. Remember when I said about groupings? Exactly the same. That is why it is important to group your models because it makes it easier. And SketchUp gives accurate data to 3ds Max for you to model it. For example, if I delete it, you can see exactly what we've done. Obviously, you can delete that, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to check my measurements, go to the triangle shape, helper tape, make sure snapper is on. So I'm going to click and hold to this side. Okay, but the problem is that the length will be 0.141. Let me do it again. 0.141. You can see that on this side here, right? So we need to scale. We need to scale upward. And you can see that the grid is 0.01. So what I'm going to do is Very easy. We don't need to do anything complex. I'm gonna go to specify length. Okay, click and hold, obviously. Mm, let's say, okay, let me try again. 8, click and hold, like this. Specify length. Then I'm gonna go to, remember, is Sketchup 14.1, so 14.1 meter. Yes, make sure that it is in meters. Okay, make sure that your 3ds Max unit matches the SketchUp unit. So make, if it's in meters, do in meters. If it's millimeters, do millimeters. If you do inches, do inches. If you do feet, do feet. So make it accurate. Now we can scale. First, what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a box as a guideline. Make sure that nothing is on. I'm going to like this, just as a guide, just like that. And then I'm going to go to top view. My box is there, and that's my model. Then I am going to delete this. I'm going to delete this. The reason why I want to delete it is because if I scale it up, okay, let's say if I select all of this, if I scale, you can see the um, shape measure would change its shape. And it's not really that nice. And okay, let me, okay, the shape is gone, so I will need to do it again. Okay, got some glitches now, which is not good. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with it, but something is wrong, but you know what I mean. Okay, then I'm gonna do, I'm going to scale it up, scale. So if you hold it, you want to go to uniform scale. Okay, that's not good. So okay, this corner render is being messed up right now. I don't want corner render right now. Okay, I'm gonna go to this like this. Then file, import into tutorial. Okay, okay, because it's wireframe, I'm going to change it to default shading like this. Okay, let me measure it again. That's okay. Let me get rid of specify length. You can see the length is 0.141, but I will specify length, which is going to be all the way to here. So I'm going to draw a box, something like this, as a guide. Okay, I go to top view for guidance, and then I make sure to delete this. Then I'm going to scale, uniform scale, and then just drag it upward. You can just drag upward, just like this. Okay, and then I want to select this, match it with this. So it match with this corner here. Okay, that's all right. Let me measure it again. And specify length and do it like this. There you go, 14.1 meters. So that means we have scaled correctly. For these, just the box is just a guide. For now, we have scaled correctly in 3ds Max. And in the future video, I'm going to show you how to set camera views and render and everything. So I hope that this makes sense. I hope this makes sense, and please watch this video again and again until you get used to it. And obviously, it may look like an easy process, but it's not kind of easy process. Not really, because everybody makes the mistake on scaling and it ruins their productivity and workflow. Okay, let me get rid of the snapping. It reduced productivity and workflow. So this is why it is important to know this skill early on to make sure it looks more realistic in your renderings. So let's it again. Please watch it again. Please watch my playlist to see how I do it step by step. So yeah, let's go back to the camera. Guys, so I hope that this makes sense. If you do enjoy this video, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. It will help boost the algorithm to reach more people like you and to get more people into visualization. And if you are looking for any help, I am opening spots for 5 people. So it's me and you directly one-to-one, so we can go from zero to hero render from complete beginners. And it is to this is me giving you personalized feedback, so obviously no other courses will do that. And if you do have any questions, I will leave a Instagram link down below, so you can ask me any question you want. So I hope that this makes sense, and I will see you on the next one.